So I had a chat earlier today with Exsavo family and Exsavo himself. He calls himself Exsavo. He's working for the people. He's bringing the technology information. He's helping people out by digging them out of their financial situation. Because apparently, the finance world in Kiev and Russia is not that great for the average common man. And Exsavo is trying to change that by teaching people how to read charts, showing them the analysis, and becoming your own day trader. It started off a little rocky for us, trying to cut through that thick Ukrainian accent, Russian accent. Very nice guy, though. If you guys can muddle through part of this, it gets better towards the middle. Start explaining how Exsavo works. I was a little shaky there, kind of in the beginning, but stuck with it, and I had a great conversation with him towards the end. He's a private man. He doesn't like to boast his face or his name. We're just calling him Exsavo. And if you go to tradingview.com/u/Exsavo, you can see their trading charts. They have a Twitter page. He says he's on LinkedIn, but he doesn't want to brag about it. So it was fun to talk with him anyway. I was at the Crypto Invest Summit last night, hanging out with Rob from the show. Met a lot of really great people. When you mix cocktails with the people in the crypto community, they're extra friendly. Everyone in this community is very friendly to begin with, but when you start mixing alcohol with it, they become even more friendly and sharing lots of information and losing consciousness of personal space. But like I said, everyone that I met at the show last night was a lot of fun. I'm going back to the show today to actually listen to some of the people talk. One of the guys I met, Bo Polny, P-O-L-N-Y, Polny. Analysis, another guy that kind of like the guys at the Exsavo family. He's doing this for the love. He's a local guy here in Newport Beach. We're going to be having him on the show really soon, talking about some of the things that he's actually pinned the day that some of these cryptos went up, and pinned the day that they went down. A little shaky in the middle, but he was still pretty accurate on it. Another guy I'm going to be talking to really soon is Nicholas Untia. He's going to be helping us actually create the Crypto the Wonder Dog token that everyone has been going to be clamoring for. I don't know what how we're going to distribute them, but I'm sure we'll be able to get some out of here. A lot of people that we met, just great people. Matthew George from VigiTrust. Mentum Limited, Decentralize Your Life. James Grundvig, Dublin, Ireland. He was super nice guy. Invited us out to Dublin, hang out with him, drink some pints at the pub. Phil Sigler, visionary. A couple of visionaries. Mindy Go. I believe that's how you pronounce her name. Mindy at the lendingcoin.com. Blockchain empowered real estate lending. So this is another company that's bringing the blockchain to real estate. But it was really nice. It was at the Grammy Museum, and we got to spend part of the evening outside under the stars, looking at the city. It was a beautiful sight. I think it was raining here in Orange County, but it was really nice over there. So anyway, let's get back to the show, shall we? All right, you guys ready to start the show? Let's start the show. Start talking. Friends forever, you know. All right. So, where are you guys located?
I'm relocated in Kyiv, Ukraine.
Kiev, Ukraine. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. How do you guys like it out there?
Yeah, I like this city.
You like the city? Yeah, a lot of fun.
Yeah. I'm born in Siberia, in Russia.
Oh, wow.
But yeah, and when I'm young, maybe 1 year, I moved with my family in Ukraine, and I'm Ukrainian, and all my Ukrainian guys.
Wow. And how long have you guys been working on the Exsavo family trading view?
Two years ago, I create this account and start to update, create charts. When I start, I know about crypto, but I look at gold, oil, indexes, commodities, and 2 years ago.
Yeah. Okay. So tell me what exactly is Exsavo? What is that?
Exsavo, when for 2 years ago, when I see this trading view, I thinking about what the name of nickname I need to create.
Oh, okay.
And after I think about I already working in this area 5 years. I am working in the brokerage company, and I'm not interested in money. I'm interested in do something big, and I'm still young. I'm just 26 years.
Oh my gosh! Wow.
Yes, and of course I want working in this area, and I half of my life, and I know before I don't have a business, but business this is machine, big machine for making money, and I'm a man, and I think it's like big machine and it's an excavator.
Excavator. Okay, I got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's how you came across the name Exsavo. Was you saw an excavator and you're like, you guys are basically excavating bitcoins, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. Oh,
awesome.
Money.
Excavating money.
Yeah.
And it's not just Bitcoin, right? You do Ethereum Classic, 10x Pay token, EOS.
Yes, I like a lot of cryptocurrency because I see good potential in cryptocurrency because now I'm economist, and when I start, I understand this is economic system in the world. It's not effective. It's like parasitic. You know what is it? Parasitic.
Political?
Wait. I'm parasitic. Wait. Because my English not good, but
sure. We got all the time in the world. Take your time.
Parasitic.
Okay.
Parasitic system.
Okay.
Because of percentage. When credit, if you want to, if I give you money, now in this system, I will say to you, okay, I give you $100, and after when you come back, this money you need to give me like $105.
Interest, yeah, $5 in interest. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. And this $5, you need to like borrow, or I don't know, but this is bubble.
That's the bubble. That's the bubble.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and I don't like this system, economic system, and I want to change this system because, you know, when I look at charts, after I send you these charts about economic cycles, and soon we will see new or next crisis, economic crisis in the world.
Okay.
And when the crisis happen, it's time to think in what way we need to go. And now crypto, it's like just start, but it's already like some try to make some economic system about tokenomics, about national cryptocurrency, and I think it will be happened
Yeah,
in my life.
yeah, and you're trying to create a brand new economic system, or you like the new economic system, which is the Bitcoin and the
No. I don't like this system.
Oh,
You know, my company name is Exsavo family. I don't know how work it Bitcoin economic system. I know how working like family economic system. If you my brother and or I don't know in my family,
yeah.
if I give you money, I don't think about, oh, okay, I give you $100 and after you give me $105.
You're not looking for
I'm
interest. You're
yes,
looking. Yeah, I borrow $100, I pay you $100 back.
yeah.
Okay.
I don't need to. I don't need this. I don't want to make money for no,
So you don't want to make
for this
money on
money.
lending money.
Yeah, and in my company, if someone want to money, of course we give like a family. We help for
Oh, you want to help people out instead of taking advantage of them. You're making them like a loan shark, where people you charge them 25% interest on a loan. You're not charging them interest on whatever money they're borrowing.
yeah, yes.
Okay.
No, this economic system, family economic system, this is what I like.
Okay. Got it.
It's effective.
Effective. Okay.
But yes, but economics, it's like in Greek. This is how to build house. It's if you translate in Greek
Uh-huh.
economics, this is how you need to create like build house. For who? For family. You understand?
Yeah,
What
I
is
mean,
it,
like
economics?
the Amish. The Amish get out. They do a barn raising together. The whole community gets together and they raise a barn, right?
Yeah. If you look at economics now, we have some big. I call for these people owner of the money, who owner of big banks like JP Morgan and no big banks, Federal Reserve System. Who owner of this?
Who honors it? The Federal
Who
Reserve?
owner? Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know who owner?
Well, the Federal Reserve, right? Or the FDIC? They're insured by that. Yeah.
No. You need to check about history about Federal Reserve System. Owner of all these banks and Federal Reserve System, it's a big, rich family. It's not about conspirologic. It's not about conspirologic. It's about Rothschild, Rockefeller, Morgan, Baruch.
So
and it's family.
It's the rich family getting richer, and they're getting rich off the backs of the poor people. Like when a student gets a student loan, they're in debt for the rest of their life. They get a student loan from a bank, they're in debt for the rest of their life, basically.
Mm-hmm.
You borrow money to buy a house. You're paying that house off for the rest of your life. You never really get to enjoy it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Yes, and of course, when I'm young and I'm not understand how working this market, and I start to read books, look at YouTube, and I'm start to do what I do.
Okay.
And what about Trading View? This is platform. It's social media for people who want to who want to make analysis in cryptocurrency or gold, no shares, commodities, and you can public. It's a free platform, and I start to do what I do, and after I see a lot of followers, a lot of likes, and people like what I do because when crypto market just started, they don't know what rules, no, what rules, правила, what rules, how it's working. People don't understand. And
Okay.
I start to make a chart with education about patterns, about
So that's what your
Fibonacci.
Exsavo is. That you're showing patterns of traditional patterns of what's happening in the trading for the
Yeah,
cryptocurrency trading markets. Okay.
correct,
Okay.
correct. And after no, this rules I know because before I'm trading in gold and oil, and I start to like copy in this new market, and now it's working because people start to understand and how working market, who trade in markets, people
Yeah.
people who know some rule, and if all people know these rules, they do what they need, and after it's like psychology of crowd
The crowd.
crowd
Crowd. Yeah.
crowd
Yeah.
yeah, and of course people want to know what, no, if I don't know, do you have like Bitcoin or some cryptocurrency?
Yeah. I have Bitcoin. I have Ethereum. We've got a ton of ICO tokens that just haven't come out yet.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Litecoin.
Good,
Ripple.
good coin.
Yeah.
And of course, when people don't understand what they need to buy, they start to ask some experts, and experts say buy this or this or this, and of course, if you write Bitcoin in Google, of course you see like trading view, and people start to look who in top, and start to follow my account, and it's it's how it's happened.
Okay. All right, because I look on here, like I clicked on one that you just put up on April 25th for Bitcoin, and you show the resistance line, you show the absorbing daily candles,
Yeah.
and so you're the one that's actually coming up with these charts.
About these charts, I show resistance line, and if we break out this resistance line, we go up, but now we don't broke yet. But I see in Bitcoin good potential.
Yeah.
I look at for $100 for one Bitcoin. Next 2-3 year. When people ask me about what price to Bitcoin until end of the year, sometimes I give less price,
Okay.
because no, if it's reached, it's good. No, it's good result. If I say more, maybe it's not happened.
Yeah, you don't want to be too optimistic about with the price that you think it's going to be, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So I mean, I'm looking at it here. So you're thinking it's going to be around the $100,000.
Uh, 1,000 $1,000. Oh, 100,000. Yeah.
Yeah, $100,000. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a chart. I have a chart, and after I send you.
Oh, okay. Well, I'd love to see it. And then EOS, I see EOS is kind of taken off here.
Uh-huh.
What about Ethereum? Just Ethereum, ETH.
Yeah, I like it. It's second cryptocurrency in the world, and all people know about Ethereum.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
What's
I like it also.
what's it going to be at the end of the year?
What?
What do you think it's going to be at the end of the year?
Ethereum. No, I think this year
Yeah.
we will see more than high. No, I think more, maximum 140 in this year. I think it's like 105 or 1,500 or more, because it's all about cycles.
Yeah. Yes. It's all the cycles.
And now we in bearish cycles. And last 2 weeks, people say, "Oh, it's already market going up," and all people talking about like 5,000 for Ethereum. But I'm not sure about this soon. But until of the year, for sure, they show new high, because I don't know how in your traditional, if something happened what happened in December, all market going up.
Yeah, it went crazy.
Yeah, but without news. But if market going down more in December, all people thinking, "Oh, I don't like this. I hate this market because I lose a lot of money." And of course, I don't want to get this cryptocurrency in year. Because if something happened bad in your year, you want to you don't want to how it's saying, huh?
You don't want to buy it. You don't want to. Yeah, you think it's going to be bad, so you don't want to get involved with it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And when it's going up, everybody wants to get involved. Everybody wants to be part of it. And then there's blood in the streets, and everybody runs.
Yeah.
And
I see a lot of good projects.
Okay.
But some people look at for this market like bubble.com.
The .com bubble.
.com.
Yeah, the .com bubble. And but that took a long time to. I mean, it wasn't just like overnight. I mean, it took a long time for that to happen. So it's not realistic when people think that this is a bubble, because there's nothing. It's not a bubble yet.
Yeah, so of course, if people ask me about bubble, I said, of course it's bubble, but all bubble, dollar also bubble.
Yeah, well, when you look at it like that, yeah, everything's a bubble. Yeah.
Yeah, some people print the money, and that's all. And of course, all people just start to know about crypto. And in crypto in this year, I think put more money. And first my target is $1 trillion for capitalization in this crypto market. This is my target.
This is your target.
Yeah.
Okay.
$1 trillion for capitalization.
So you think by the end of it, there'll be over $1 trillion into the crypto market?
Yeah, and after more, because when crisis.com happened, it's 11 trillion dollar.
11 trillion.
Now, yeah,
Wow.
and now we are so small, like microbe.
Like a microbe, yeah.
Like a microbe.
Yeah, micronism.
Yeah. And of course, some altcoins have more growth potential than Bitcoin or Ethereum, of course. But this is like a casino. You know, if some big guys like whales start to invest in some coins,
Yeah, it's going to naturally go up, and then everyone jumps on board, and they jump out, and then the thing crashes.
Yeah. Yes. Agree.
So what kind of people do you want to come to Exsavo and get involved with you? Who are you guys looking for?
Who I am?
No. What kind of people do you want to come to the Exsavo family? What kind of people are you looking to bring to the Exsavo family?
I like people who don't think like only money. If you think money, I don't like these people. How in family? If I need some help, my brother or sister or father, my family help to me, and I help to market.
Yeah.
I help to market. I do some chart, and I don't know some good guys, but before we are family, I need to know who is it. I need to contact. We need to talk, because it's what I think about this.
Yeah. All right. And you guys have you've got a presence online. You guys are on LinkedIn. You can find some of the guys that are involved with the company on LinkedIn. You have your website, Exsavo Signals.
No, I have account in LinkedIn, but I don't use it.
Oh, you don't use it? Okay.
Yeah, I have account,
Okay.
but I don't use it.
Are you active on Telegram?
Vitaly do this. Vitaly, master of networking.
All right. Yeah.
In us family, he networker.
He's not the worker, huh? Okay. You guys are in pretty active on Telegram, right?
Yeah, Telegram.
Yes.
If you won't find me, just write Exsavo, and you see first this is channel, more than 15,000 chat, Exsavo chat, and last this is my account.
Okay.
Just Exsavo, and then this excavator.
Okay. And you have links to that on your website.
Website. I have website with the signals. I have academy.
Oh, you have an academy. You teach this.
Yeah.
Okay.
I already do this two courses.
2 courses.
But it's just
okay.
Yes. It's maybe 80 people, but in Russian language, because
okay.
You hear how I speak in English.
You might throw some people off if you were teaching this in English. Yeah.
But I do consultation, like private consultation.
Yeah.
And no, because when we talk, and if I show you in chart, people understand what I said.
Okay.
what I say.
Yeah. Yeah. Um, and you've been pretty accurate on your predictions.
Wait, again.
So
Uh,
you
uh,
have you been pretty
uh,
accurate on your
again,
predictions?
again,
Again,
again.
have you been pretty accurate on your predictions?
Насколько ты ну, типа accurate, это
Нет, насколько ты рассчитываешь на свои
предсказания.
предсказания?
80%.
80%. Okay, well that's
Yeah.
better than Then that's about average, right? 80%. That's if you, as long as you get yeah.
Yeah. No, I have a statistic in my channels. I give like 20, 24 signals, and just 2 signals take stop loss. It's more than 80, but I say just 80.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. And people should contact you through Telegram, or should they just go into your website?
In TradingView, people text me, and in Telegram.
Okay.
Some people who know me in Ukraine, we have a good community in Ukraine about crypto, and sometime I like talk in conference. And
Okay.
of course, people ask me what coin I need to buy, what coin I need to buy, because all people want to earn money.
Yes. Of
Just
course.
earn money. No, you know. But I'm regular man. I'm not like a star, famous, or I don't.
Well, you're
like
going to be
it.
famous now. Now that you're on our show, you're going to be famous.
I don't like be famous, because sometime in when I'm walking, people come to me and ask, "Are you Exsavo?" and start to talk with me. But because a lot of people in Ukraine know about crypto,
Okay.
like more than in London, or because Ukraine, it's like a poor country, and all people invest in dollar.
In the dollar. Okay.
Yeah, dollar, because dollar going up, and now Bitcoin going up. They invest dollar in Bitcoin.
Now, are you? That's what I wanted to ask you. Is this something that's being taught in the schools? Is there a big community that people can get involved with in the Ukraine? Why is it so popular? Ukraine, Russia.
No, because we have a problem with national money.
Your national money.
In national money, yes,
Okay.
hryvnia. Just 5 years ago, when I start to working in this area, hryvnia, $1, it's 8 hryvnia.
Wow.
Now it's 26 hryvnia for $1.
Oh my God. Wow. Okay.
Yes, and
Man.
same situation in Russia. Same situation. And-
The value of your national dollar is just going down and down and down.
Yeah.
And so the
And
people see
I'm sure in future it's going down more.
yes, and the people see the potential value of being able to get out of their current economic situation by getting involved with cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin and everything. And you're sharing this knowledge with your people, getting them involved with this so that you can help them out, get out of their poverty or whatever economic situation they're in, right?
Yeah, right. And in Ukraine, in Kiev, this is first house who no, I know this man who sell house for Ethereum. No, in Ethereum, it's first time in the world.
He sold his house
And-
for Ethereum.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I buy my telephone for bitcoins. I buy clothes. If it's economic relationship with people.
So
If
there's a lot of people taking cryptocurrencies as a form of payment in Kiev and Russia and Ukraine.
yes, it's easy to send this money.
Yeah.
It's easy to send and no control, decentralization. You know, I remember when problem in Greece, when they have problem with debit in Euro Union. You remember this?
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe.
They went bankrupt or something.
Yeah. Yes, and if you have some money in banks, and you come to banks and say, I want to withdraw my money, and banks say to you, no, I give you just $300 in one day.
They
It's
didn't
my
have the
money.
money to
What
pay out.
happened?
Yeah.
What happened? It's my money. I want to withdraw my money.
Yeah.
No, it's situation. But in blockchain, in Bitcoin, nobody cannot to say for me, no, you cannot to withdraw money. No, it's, what I think about this is I see more potential
Yes.
in this system.
Absolutely. You don't lose your money unless you mess it up or something, or somebody hacks into your account, which is it's not very often. I mean, it's pretty rare that something like that happens. So you're pretty safe. And
Hack, yeah, but in Ukraine we have like project like Hacken. It's like white hackers.
yeah,
When Ethereum have problem with some hackers,
yeah,
they fix this problem because one man from Ukraine, he look at in what wallet this Ethereum go, and after this money come back to this wallet.
oh,
Yeah, and this hacking have one advisor. It's this famous man. He have antivirus.
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 Yeah.
What?
John McAfee.
McAfee.
Yeah, John McAfee. Yeah.
Yeah, he advisor of this project.
Oh, he was. Okay.
Yeah, he working with
All right.
hacking.
That's great.
Yeah.
Wow, that's awesome. Man.
Yes, and it's because, and I like Ukraine because if you want contact someone, it's easy. You don't need to fly in US or in China. All people here.
Yeah.
And do you visit Ukraine?
I've never been to Ukraine. I'd love to go though.
Good.
I'd love to go there.
Good people here.
Yeah.
Good girls.
Well, I've met a lot of people that since I've been doing this. Met a lot of people from Ukraine and Russia and Eastern Bloc countries, and everyone's so nice. Everyone that I've met has just been the greatest people on earth. So I'd love to come out and visit, hang out with you, and
No, when you come, you can call me and we meet.
All right. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I want to be part of the Exsavo family, man.
Yeah, you can do this.
Awesome. Well, I know it's kind of late for you guys out there, and I'm sure you guys are super busy with your Exsavo family and excavating and helping people, dig themselves out of debt. I wish you guys all the luck in the world.
But we have time. If some people come, of course we meet, because one of way is like contact with people, because some people when we meet, and they start to talk about some legend about Exsavo, about what I do, and It's good.
Oh, so
because,
you're a legend. You're a legend out there.
yeah.
You're a superhero. Right on.
No, not hero, but some people know about Exsavo.
Yeah. Well, this is awesome. Well, we're definitely gonna share the information with everyone out here, and if anybody speaks Russian, they would like to get involved with you and take your classes. I think it would be great, helping people out. It seems to be what this community is all about, is helping others out. So, great meeting you.
Yeah.
And I'd love to have you guys back on the show here soon and talk about your charts and what your predictions are for later on in the year. Maybe help some of our listeners out.
No, we can do this.
Awesome.
We can do this.
Help me out. I seem to follow the opposite of trends when I'm trying to trade. I always go the opposite way. Seems like everything that I touch goes down, and as soon as I get out, it goes up. So,
Well,
yeah.
last chart. What I do is Ethereum Classic,
Yeah.
and I see good potential, good news, good roadmap, and technical analysis. It's all for me.
Ethereum
Because
Classic.
Okay. Ethereum Classic, uptrend channel, and near resistance line of this channel, it's $60. Now it's 20. It's like 200%.
Wow.
And sometimes when I don't trade in news, I trade in charts,
Okay.
because I just look at chart, and if I see good some good situation, of course I'm open position, and of course I public chart because no, I like what I do.
You sound very good at it. Yeah.
Yes, it's my hobby.
It's your hobby.
Hobby, yeah.
All right. Well, I dig that, man. That's great. All right. Well, tell you what, man, we're just running out of time here. We're actually on our way to the Crypto Investors Summit in Los Angeles today. We're going to be there today and tomorrow. Are you guys planning on coming to LA anytime soon?
6 years ago, I want to go in US.
Yeah.
But they say no, you not allowed, because I'm young, I'm student, and
You weren't allowed?
maybe I come in US, but I don't have plan for this.
No.
No,
All right.
no.
Well, hope you do someday.
let's-
Let me know. I'll show you around.
Los Angeles.
Yes.
Los Angeles.
Absolutely.
Okay. Now I have friend from Los Angeles.
Absolutely. Yes. You got. Well, besides me, I mean, you're going to have more friends now that you're on the show here. You're going to have more friends from the Los Angeles area, because we have a lot of listeners out here. But yeah, you come out, we'll treat you like family. We treat you like you be part of the Crypto the Wonder Dog family out here.
Okay.
All right.
Good.
That'll get you a long ways, I tell you. Like I said, good luck to you guys. Really looking forward to finding out more about this and watching what you guys are doing for the community. And great talking with you, man. Loved it.
Yeah. Thank you.
right.
Thank you. I like to talk with you too.
All right, man. Well, let's talk again soon, okay?
Okay.
All right, brother. You have a good day.
Have a good day too.
All right,
Bye.
man. Bye.